really shouldn't focus on me. You need to worry about someone else. And as you can see, I've been doing my own thing.
Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. It's Chrissy here. I gotta be super loud because my kids are loud as fuck. Welcome. If you are new, don't forget to click that good old subscribe button down below so you can join the squad, you guys. I mean, come on in, bring it on in. And turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. You do want to be notified, okay? Because YouTube does not always give you guys a notification every time your girl uploads her videos, okay? But they don't never want your girl to be great sometimes. So go ahead and hit that subscribe. No. So go ahead and click that bell one time after you click that subscribe one time. I'll wait.
Body cold,
Frosty cold,
and I'm so
bossy,
and I so
saucy,
and my clothes.
Thank you for clicking that subscribe button, you guys. Today I just have this look for you guys. This is an everyday makeup look. This is how I would wear my makeup if I was to have to wear makeup every day, or if I wanted to wear makeup every day, or if I just wanted to be simple, baby, or if I just wanted like a summer glow, don't want to do too much but want to do too much. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, this is pretty much what I'll do, you guys. I really like the way this look came out. So if you guys want to see how your girl got this easy, simple look, then keep on watching. Hey everybody, welcome back. So you guys, excuse my voice. I did, however, get a allergy code right now. And you know what's funny? Last year, on this day, I was coming out with a new video and I was editing a video and I was doing a voiceover and my voice was out of there because I always have my allergies around this time, y'all. Like, them allergies be kicking my butt. But right now I'm just going in with the LA Girl Pro concealer, and it is the orange one, and I'm just going to color correct. I didn't really have to color correct, but it's just like I want my face to all look one color. I don't know, like if y'all understand what I'm saying. That's pretty much what I'm doing, and I'm just blending it on out. So just make sure you blend it out super good. I always make sure I just over blend, like if they make sense. I always over blend, make sure it's all blended out. So yeah, next let's get into the good stuff. I'm going in with both of these foundations. I'm gonna go in with the Fenty first and just pretty much put that on all the parts, you know, that I always put my foundation or whatever. So I did, however, avoid like my eye area because I'm going to try this new trick that I've heard about. I've heard about it for a while or whatever, but you know, they pretty much use this as a primer. Some makeup artists and my sister, she pretty much uses this as a primer. Yeah, she did use it as a primer because y'all know she passed away in August last year. But yeah, she used to use it as a primer and it just used to be weird to me. But then I started seeing other makeup artists that be slaying do it. So I was like, you know what, let me give it a go. So I had bought that, and then yeah, I would just pretty much put that on the areas that no foundation was on. And then I just went in with that Maybelline and just went ahead and blended it out. So you guys, I will have all the products listed in the description box because I might not put them up on the screen, so you can just look down below to know my shades and everything and all the products that I use. I noticed that I did not tell you guys what was in that blue bottle, but what was in that blue bottle is milk of magnesia. Yes, it's like a laxative, but I used it for my face. I did get the cherry kind because I did not see like the Philips brand or whatever, you know, just like the regular kind without the cherry, without the flavor. So yeah, I just picked up this one, and it is the Walmart brand, and it worked pretty good, you guys. It just gonna blend it all out. I'm gonna go in with this Age Rewind concealer from Maybelline, and I'm gonna just put that up under my eyes. And I do believe this is in the shade 10. And you guys, this is probably like my second or third time using this ever, because the first 2 times I used it, I was like, okay, it's cool, but you know, it was kind of too wet for me a little bit. But I learned how to like use it and maneuver around it and all that stuff, and it just came out looking really good. So you guys, I'm just going to take that same brush that I blended out that orange concealer with at the beginning of the video, and I'm going to just blend out this concealer. I'll just go in with the same brushes. You know, for concealers, I use the same brush that I use for this concealer, and I use the same brush for like foundation. I use the same brush for all my powders. I sometimes switch it up, but most of the time this is pretty much just what I do. So you guys, I pretty much just was focusing more on the skin. I did not do any type of like eyeshadow or anything with this look, because of the simple fact, if I was doing like an everyday look, you guys, I would not put on no eyeshadow. Like, let's be clear, I would not be doing no eyeshadow, because eyeshadow takes time. Like, most of the time when I do my makeup and I'm doing shadows, I spend the most time on my shadows and my brows, so basically my eye area. So yeah, I just focused on my skin. I used a lot of new products, and yeah, I use products that I have not used in a while, and y'all see the results later. So yeah, after you pretty much just get that all blended out, you just gonna go in with this translucent setting powder from Covergirl. Well, I'm gonna go in with it, and then I'm just gonna put that on all the parts that I highlighted and make sure I blend it out. You guys, I did not let this stuff just sit on there and bake. You know, I didn't let that do that. After I did my contour, I did let it sit underneath that contour to like sharpen it up some, but you know, that's under my eyes and everything. I did not let that just sit. I pretty much put it on there and just was like dusting it away or whatever. I didn't just let it on there, because you guys, I already have dry skin, and I did go in with like a matte foundation and a dewy foundation, and the Fenty is matte, so yeah, I don't really like to do too much baking when I use that. After I pretty much just do all of that, I'm gonna go in with this new product that I've been hearing about, you guys. It's new to me. It could be old to you guys. You probably already heard about it, but it's new to me. I never used this as like a face powder ever. So yeah, I'm just gonna go in and just put that on all the parts that I had put that setting powder and where I highlighted it. And that's just pretty much what I be doing when I do my powders. So you guys, I did put that powder on my lids as well, because I did, you know, when I did my brows, I brought that concealer down on my lids and just blended it on out. So I did just go back over it and, you know, put that powder. So you guys know I love this Covergirl what you call this, y'all know I love this eyeliner. And I love it because the little thing is like it's so sleek. It just gives you like the sharpest line ever. Okay, like it's no lie, like no capping, no none of that. Like y'all need to go ahead and pick it on up. But yeah, I'm just doing me like a wing liner, because regardless how simple the look is, your girl gotta have her liner. Y'all know that. Oh yeah, I'm gonna go in with this black Radiance Bold mascara, you guys, and I have been using this in my last videos. I believe this is like my third time using it on my video, but when I do my makeup and I'm not filming, I do go in with this. I love how, you know, small the bristles on the little, you know, wand is and everything. You just get all your little lashes or whatever. And then I'm gonna go in with pastel lashes, you know, how we do, and this is in the style MINTEE. And you guys, I am going to leave my code down below if you guys want to purchase. So this is the Fenty trio sticks, and I have not used this in a while, you guys. I have not been doing like really wet, you know, concealer type contours. I just been doing powder contour, but I just decided to go in with this because when I did do like everyday look, I didn't film it, but I did it, and I did use this as like in my everyday look. I love this. This is in the shade Truffle, you guys. The only thing that's about this, like, it blends out, but it's drying. Like, it's like a dry type concealer. I don't know if that's making sense, but baby, it's like a dry type concealer when I'm using it with these foundations and the powders and it's just dry to me, but you know, it blends on out afterwards. So So I'm going to go ahead and make sure I blend all that out, you know, just go over it with my foundation brush. And then, you guys, I'm going to go in with this black Opal setting powder, you guys. I really love this, especially for underneath the contour. It's like a brown. It's kind of like my skin tone a little bit, but a little lighter when it blends on out, you guys. But, yeah, I just been loving this, you guys. It just makes it look so sleek, so neat, and it's perfect. So I did not go and like contour my nose up. I'm just blending that concealer out, that Fenty stick concealer or whatever. I'm just blending that out. I'm not going to like use no powder contour for that or do anything extra to my nose because I like to keep it natural looking when we're doing an everyday look. So I'm going to go in with this palette from Black Radiance. It is the contour palette, and I love this palette on a regular, you guys. It don't matter what look I'm doing, I'm picking this on up. Okay, so I'm just go over those contour spots and just blend it on out. So get it all blended out. You can even go back in with your foundation brush and blend it out. So I'm just going to go ahead and try this City Bronzer from Maybelline. And you guys, I must say, when I tried it, it made my stuff look popping, okay? It has like a natural glow in it, but at the same time, it's like a matte with like a little bit of sheen, glow, whatever in it. And I just love it, you guys, like no lie. It made my contour look smooth, look cute, look natural. Yes. And I went back in with my powder, you know, just to blend all the edges out and make sure everything was all blended on out. And you'll see me doing that. So I'm going in with this Melon from Wet n Wild. It is their blush, and it's just so soft, you guys, and peachy like. And then I'm gonna go in with my Milani highlighter, you guys. I have not used this highlighter in almost a year, but it was one of my babes, okay? And I haven't used this particular highlighter because it cracked. Like last year it cracked, and I haven't used it, so I bought like the palette that has the same color in there. So I just been using like the palette that has like 3 of them in there. But y'all, this is one of my babies. I had to go back and pick it up and show it some love. So I'm just going ahead and just blending it on out with my foundation brush, making sure everything is just blended out, you know, especially the highlighter. And then I picked up this rose water spray from Wet n Wild. It's their setting spray. It's a 3-in-1. I guess it's like set, prime, and something else. And yeah, I'm just gonna pretty much fan my face.
Mommy, I want some makeup.
Thank you. Go sit down at the table. I'm almost finished. You said what?
I want for eyeshadow.
I don't have any on. It looks like I do. I'm gonna go in with this gingerbread from Ruby Kisses, you guys. And I love they lip liners. They be having every color in it that's be making my lips pop, okay? They be having literally every color, y'all. And then I'm gonna go in with this gloss from Black Radiance. And it's just a clear gloss. I have the names below. I'm back. So this is how the look came out, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this beautiful, simple look. And yeah, I pretty much just went ahead and put this wig on with the hair and all that good stuff and got it popping. This is actually one of my favorite wigs, you guys. Yes. So yeah, I only wore it like 2 times. This will be my 2nd time on my video, I think, and on my Instagram if y'all follow me on there, which I feel like you guys, my kids are pretty loud, which I feel like you guys should follow me on my Instagram. I will leave it down below, either on the screen or in the description box. As always, I just threw it up in the ponytail and all that good stuff, put on some hoops, put on the gloss, we got it popping, okay? This is very simple. It's everyday makeup. I hope you guys can hear me over my loud ass AC over here, because it is hot as fucking Texas and your girl is not finna die making this video, okay? Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and comment your thoughts down below. Hit that subscribe button down below. Turn your bells on if you want to be notified every time I upload a video. And I'll see you guys in my next one.